है कि यहाँ पे गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है क्योंकि मेरे साथ एक और हॉट लड़की खड़ी है, कृति सुनौर। वेलकम वेलकम।
मेरे साथ एक और मतलब शी इज कॉलिंग हरसेल्फ हॉट ऑन हर ओन.
Daisy and Zareen were with me pehle, so I was calling them hot and now you're hotter.
Oh, that ways. Oh, I thought you were calling yourself hot, which she is actually.
Ooh, nice, Kriti. Thank you very much.
Asked me to stand like really close to her, so I was standing like this.
The temperatures are rising up. Okay, now tell me, this is your first season of CCL. How amazing has it been?
It's been really good so far. The first game we won, so of course I was really excited. And this game again, it's been going really well. It's a tough match, but now Shabir and Apurva they're batting, and I love the way he's just hitting the ball every time. And I have my fingers crossed.
Is the team under pressure right now?
Maybe a little bit, of course, but I think it's better to work best under pressure. I think I work best under pressure. So I think when you have that pressure on your head, the game also becomes a little more interesting. And we all still keep our fingers crossed. So yes, pressure or no pressure, this always stays.
Who are your favorite players in your team?
Well, they are actually batting right now. Apart from Shabir and Apurva, there's Bobby Sir and Ritesh.
Okay, last time I'd asked you that should there be a girls' team. Have you actually thought of it?
Ask me another very weird question also.
Have you thought about it?
Well, I told you Preeti Zinta is one of the people who I would probably want to see. I think she's very into sports and everything. I have a feeling that Deepika is very athletic. So then probably her. And ये इनको देखते देखते मैं थोड़ा बहुत सीख जाऊंगी. So I'm hoping they'll teach me a little bit so I can also go.
What do you think about CCL's, CCL, it's an amalgamation of cricket and Bollywood. It's something that India loves and CCL has been growing year after year. It's the 6th season now and the popularity is immense. Like today you saw so many people, so many Bollywood stars who just came in today.
Yes, of course, and I think these are the two things, films and cricket, that we Indians really, really love watching. So I think this is a perfect combination of the best entertainment, I would say. And as you can see, the crowd here has been going crazy, and they've been really enjoying the whole match. They've been enjoying celebrities playing cricket. So that's another interesting thing, and it's of course the 6th season, and it's been just growing every year. So I feel it's a great initiative.
I think I have to tell you something. Your team needs a little bit of energy. My energy comes from Boost. What is the secret of your energy?
Well, the secret of my energy is actually just being around happy people. I think when you stay happy, you stay on your toes.
Okay, well, thank you very much, Kriti, and all the very